threading the machine. Turn the power switch on. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Turn the power switch off for safety. Raise the presser foot. Place the spool of thread on the spool pin with the thread coming off from under the spool. Attach the spool holder and press it firmly against the spool of thread. Hold the thread with both hands and pass the thread around the thread guide. Pull the thread up around the thread guide plate and along the left channel. Slip the thread into the eye of the take-up lever and pull it down along the left channel. Pass the thread through the lower thread guide from the right to the left. Slip the thread in the needle bar thread guide from the left. Lower the presser foot. Push the threader knob down slowly as far as it will go. The hook comes out through the needle eye and the threader is held in the down position. Pull the thread down under the left thread guide and then pass it from left to right under the hook. Draw the thread around the right thread guide toward you. Raise the knob slowly and a loop of the thread is pulled up through the needle eye. Pull the end of the thread through the needle eye to the rear.